Hey, are you looking for a versatile go-to wine that's sure to impress at any event? I'm here to help. My number one wine recommendation for any occasion is definitely Pinot Noir. Why Pinot Noir? Well, it's a lighter-bodied red wine with a good amount of acidity, which makes it one of the most food-friendly wines out there. This is going to go great with your grilled meats and poultry, cheeses, gnocchi, a little risotto, and even some fish like salmon or halibut. Now, this is one of my favorite everyday Pinot Noirs from California, the HAHN Pinot Noir. It's from a family winery that's been around for over 35 years. This one has tasting notes of red plums and bright cherries with a silky smooth finish. You can just sip on this in the evening or pour it with a meal. Now, just remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this at Target or your local wine store for around $15. Bring this little gem to your next party or event, and it's gonna be a surefire hit, and you're gonna look like a real wine boss because you too can be an everyday sommelier. Cheers.